വീണമീട്ടുകയാ കുളിരോളങ്ങൾ പകർന്നാടുകയാ തങ്കരഥമേറി വന്നു പൂന്തിങ്കൾ പെൺമണിയ സുഹൃതമണിയിലാരോ പാടും ആശംസാമംഗളമായി സ്വരകന്യകമായി വീണമീട്ടുകയാ കുളിരോളങ്ങൾ പകർന്നാടുകയാ തങ്കരഥമേറി വന്നു പൂന്തിങ്കൾ പെൺമണിയ സുഹൃതമണിയിലാരോ പാടും ആശംസാമംഗളമായി സ്വരകന്യകമായി വീണമീട്ടുകയാ.
Music has a way of slithering into people's lives, no matter how busy someone is. And that is one of the best qualities of music. Have a happy World Music Day.
Today, on this auspicious day, that is the Music Day, I'm going to deliver my speech on music. Music is one of the pleasing arrangement and the flow of sound in air. And of course, it varies in rhythm and systematic method. It is also an art or skill that musicians possess, and hence they are capable to give a musical performance to their audience. Music is one of the most important boons of God for all living beings. Music is one of those forms of melody that soothes into our body and make us feel refreshed and relaxed. It also helps us to get rid of all the anxiety and stress of our everyday life. I'm concluding my words by saying that being skilled in any component of music is a gift of God. So, I would like to request you that we must always live with music. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
സംഗീതമേ അമര സല്ലാപമേ സംഗീതമേ അമര സല്ലാപമേ മണ്ണിനു വിണ്ണിന്റെ വരദാനമേ വേദനയെ പോലും വേദാന്തമാക്കുന്ന നാദാനുസന്ധാന കൈവല്യമേ സംഗീതമേ അമര സല്ലാപമേ.
important role in India's tradition. It is divided into the Hindustani music of North and Carnatic music of South. Now, we can get to know about some of the musical instruments associated with Carnatic music. First, we can get to know about the musical instrument tamburu. Tamburu is a long-necked string instrument. It is used to produce a melody to support the melody sung by singers. It has 5 strings which is plucked one after another to produce a melodic tone. Now, we can listen to the sound produced by it. Next, we can get to know about the musical instrument violin. Violin, which is also called fiddle, is a Western musical instrument, but now it has also become an essential part of Carnatic music. It was introduced to Carnatic music by Baluswami Dikshidhar. It is played by drawing a bow across the strings and by adjusting the strings of hand using our fingers. Now, we can listen to the sound produced by it. Next, we can get to know about the musical instrument flute. Flute is a musical instrument which is known to have existed since ancient times. It is an instrument which belongs to woodwind group. It produces sound when air passes through it and by adjusting the holes in it. Now we can listen to the sound produced by it. We can get to know about the musical instrument veena. Veena is a long-necked string instrument. It is made using wood and it has 4 main strings and 3 drawn strings. It is 4 feet long and it has 2 guards at each end. It produces a melodic tone. Now we can listen to the sound produced by it. Next, we can get to know about the musical instrument harmonium. Harmonium, which is also called pump organ, was modified to harmonium by Indians for their local needs. Now, we can listen to the sound produced by it. Next, we can get to know about the musical instrument mridangam. It is made using the wood of jackfruit tree and has coating of goat skin. Now we can listen to the sound produced by it. Next, we can get to know about the musical instrument Gadam. Gadam looks like a clay pot, and the clay used for making it contains iron, zinc, and copper. Its pitch can be adjusted by varying its size, and it has thick coating to produce good tone.